Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So we currently push higher like Bitcoin, which is good news. So the triangle I showed you in the previous video, which was a possibility, doesn't seem to work out, at least not in this pattern, which obviously was just an idea. And to be honest, it's quite good if we push higher straight away. But I'm still not entirely convinced that we are going to push higher straight away. This could still become an extended triangle, for example. Yeah, so be aware of that, especially as long as we stay below the low or below the 1345 high. So triangle is still an option in a wave 4. Yeah, just an extended one with a B high, C down, D high, and E down, which would eventually still go up. So that's a possibility. Then obviously we have this scenario of a direct breakout. I'm still a little bit concerned about that. I mean, not concerned about the breakout, but concerned about the strong sell-off here yesterday. Now, we didn't do anything that a wave 4 would not normally do. We reached a 38.2% fib level, recovered from there, yeah, as you would normally expect it after a wave 4. It normally comes down to the 38.2% fib level. The only thing that I'm thinking, it came down quite strongly. But hey, it is recovering, but it's not entirely impulsive what we're doing here. Not yet. This is looking promising here, this latest candle. It just needs to push higher, break above 1345, and then we can finish off this wave 5 here. What was the target for the third wave in yellow? Let's just remind ourselves. The target was the 1.618 extension, so 1360 here is basically the minimum expectation. Yeah, maybe it will push a bit higher because the wave 3 here in white was pretty extended, so it could very well be that this fifth wave pushes a little bit higher, maybe all the way up to 1385. I think it will depend to a degree on what we get in terms of a catalyst today from the Fed interest rate decision. So important next confirmation that we are indeed pushing higher here in a fifth wave will be the break of 1345, and we definitely need to hold the $1,300 level, the 50% Fibonacci retracement, because if we break below that, it will not be good for the higher level count. It would definitely be a bit harmful for the higher level count. We would then, if we break below that level, really relevant support will be 1257. Before that, it will be 1276. And as long as we're holding 1276, I could still consider this a 1-2 setup and another 1-2 setup where we may have an ABC, A wave, B wave, C wave. But if this is a C wave, yeah, the market really needs to come down now. If it pushes any higher than where we are now, it's most likely the direct breakout. Yeah, because a B wave would normally not go that high. It could do in a flat pattern, but the wave A does look very impulsive to me, so it's probably a zigzag if it is a correction still. And then it should come down straight away, basically, maybe to 1290 or 1276. Then I would consider it a 1-2 setup, which could then still rally from these support levels I just indicated, but it wouldn't be ideal. Ideally, we push higher straight away. That would be the most bullish scenario, at least short-term bullish, because as you know, my view is still that Ethereum will most likely come down once more here, maybe even make a lower low, but the test ultimately comes when this pattern is full to the upside, yeah, this impulsive pattern to the upside, and my view is this is part of an ABC correction within a wave 4, which would then result in one more sell-off in a wave 5, and a key test will happen at the $1,000 level, which will be a real stress test here also for the bullish scenario generally on the Ethereum chart. So yeah, short-term upside at the moment favored, certainly. Just need to be aware this could become a triangle. It could come down in a C wave. As long as we're holding 1300, we can go with this direct breakout count. If we break below it, then we have key support at 1276 and 1257. If we lose that, it needs a major change in the higher level wave count, unfortunately, and the direct breakout is probably not possible anymore in that in the direct fashion. I'll certainly keep you updated about Ethereum. I will keep you updated about the Fed interest rate decision, and this is really what is relevant at the moment. Yeah, so hopefully you liked the update about Ethereum. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.